Today I'm going to be doing some styling with some sudden death mustache wax from Death Grip Wax. Get your hair dryer out, heat it up until it gets a little bit of a glossy look going. So while it's heating, I might take the hair dryer, heat my mustache hairs up too. So the wax is starting to get a little bit of that kind of shine to it. You can really see that it's warming up. I'll take my pick, and you want to scrape out about a pea size between my middle, index, and thumb, and just kind of rub it in. So then I'll just kind of pinch where they like to separate, hold to set. If you look here, this one's a straight down. That's where this one stays a little more rounded. I blame that on just being right-handed, so my left hand can kind of hold right here really well, and then my right hand doesn't want to hook very well on that side.